Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaTV. Today is the 17th of August. You're watching Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. Lately, investors are selling off the US dollar as they have been increasingly pessimistic about the prospects of the nearest rate hike by the US Federal Reserve. Yesterday, President of New York Federal Reserve Bank William Dudley gave the market-moving interview that boosted the dollar. Yesterday, the dollar-yen pair was trading at a record low since June 24th, when the Brexit vote pushed the pair into the downward spiral. Judging by the dynamic of the currency pair, the ongoing situation in the world caused the same degree of alarm in financial markets. Apparently, investors do not expect positive clues in the minutes of the August monetary policy meeting that will be released today. William Dudley expressed his viewpoint that was a verbal intervention capable of changing market sentiment in the US dollar's favor. In the European pre-market, the US currency corrected against the safe haven yen, surging by 120 pips to 101 points. In the early European trade, the dollar-yen pair is retreating to the previous lows. Technical indicators are signaling that the pair is set to consolidate next to 100.5. It means that yesterday's rush to buy the US dollar was short-lived. What exactly did the influential Fed policymaker say that triggered speculative sentiment? His comment was seen as hawkish. Recently, the rate-setting committee has been sending a cautious message that tighter monetary policy might entail risks to the economy. William Dudley, a permanent voter on rates, clearly stated his intention to back the rate hike at the meeting in September. Nevertheless, the downward correction of the US dollar indicates that investors are not convinced of the US Fed's hawkish stance. The current condition of the US economy could prevent the central bank from tightening. Yesterday's inflation report is fresh evidence. US consumer prices remained unchanged in July. The annual pace of headline inflation slowed down to 0.8%, the weakest level in the latest 7 months. Besides consumption activity, the main driving force of the US economy is also at low ebb. Retail sales showed a zero dynamic in July. Only the industrial production is expanding, though it is still on negative territory in annual terms. And this was Daily Financial News on InstaTV. Thank you and goodbye.